Good morning, children. Today I am going to take mirror house. That is mirror house. What is that, children? Mirror house. What is mirror house? Mirror house means if both sides, left and right side of an object is equal or same, that is mirror house. What is mirror house? If the both sides or left and right sides of an object are same or equal, that is we can call it as mirror house. The mirror house means both sides left and right sides, left and right sides are equal or same, that is mirror house. If we take an object and if the left and right side of that object, if that is equal, then that we can call it as mirror house. Look here, children, our face is an example for that. If we draw a line in between this, if our left and right sides are equal, isn't it? Then we can call it that our face is also a mirror. Look here, children, I will show you one picture. Look here. Yes, look here, all of you. What is this, children? What is this? This is a butterfly, isn't it? This is a butterfly. And look carefully, children. Look carefully, the right and left side, you look carefully. Here, you can see this side and this side, these two sides are equal. And these two sides are same. So, this butterfly, we can tell it, these butterflies are mirror house. Butterflies are mirror house. If we take a mirror, look at, children, this one is the half part of, look here, this one is the butterfly, isn't it? If I take like this, look here, then only one half you can see there, isn't it? One part. You can't see now both sides. You can see only one side of the butterfly, isn't it? If we put a yes, look here. If we put a one mirror in that, then you can see both sides are same. So this one is a mirror half. You can see one half of that portion inside of the mirror, isn't it? Half of that side in the mirror. So that is a mirror half. But look here, children. This one you look here. This one is another picture. This one is a jug. This one is a jug. Is it mirror house, children? Is it mirror house? No. Because both sides are equal. This side you look here, you can see here one handle is here, isn't it? That handle is not here. So this object is not a mirror house. And this one you look here, this one also like that. If we put a dotted line, then this one not a mirror house. Why? Because this side is like this and this side another. Okay, so this one also not a mirror house. This picture and this picture, that is, they are not mirror house, but this is both sides are equal, left side and right side are equal. So this butterfly is mirror house. Okay, then we can take the textbook, children. Look here. Yes, here one story is telling Amina. You can see here one girl, isn't it? What is the name of that girl? Amina. And one day Amina met a painter. Then she asked the painter, can you draw my picture? Then painter gave the reply. What reply gave? Oh, sure, I will do. But you have to give 200 rupees. I will draw your picture, but you have to give 200 rupees. Okay, then Amina told, okay, no problem, I will give you. And after a while, he came. He came and show one picture and asked Amina, how do you like it? How do you, this picture? This picture he gave. Amina, how do you like it? Then she asked, but this is only a half. This is only a half. Then painter told, the other half is exactly the same. The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to get the complete picture. What painter told? What reply he gave? That is half only, okay. But if you put a mirror in that, you will get it complete picture of yours. Okay, a complete picture of yours. And now give me my money. I drew the picture of you. Then you have to give me money. He asked the money. Then what she told? Amina gave him a 100 rupee note. What is the how much rupees he wanted? 200 rupees for that, isn't it? But Amina gave only 100 rupees. Then he asked, but this is only half the money. I asked 200 rupees, but you gave me 100 rupees. Why? Then the other half is exactly, she told, the other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror next to the note to get the full money. She told, if you put a mirror just to that, next to that, you will get it 200 rupees. 100 rupees same as that. So you will get it 200 rupees. Okay. That is the mirror of 100 rupee. You look here, 100 rupee, next 100 rupee she put a mirror there. Okay. You also check it that. Okay. Do it like that. Yes, look here children, some half of the pictures already given there. So you have to complete that picture and write it what is the picture. You can look here. This one is the picture of a, what do you know? What is the picture of this? This one is the picture of a butterfly. If you complete this picture, then you will get it what is the picture. And after that you write it, under that you write it what is the picture. Okay, that you have to do. And look here children, that is the mirror picture. That is the pictures of the mirror house. Yes. Next one, look here, two pictures already given there. What is that? One is a worm. Three pictures. Worm, cup, flag. And in this worm, you look here, in the both sides are equal? No. The both sides are not equal. So this is not a mirror. And next one, that is a cup. And both sides are not equal. You look here, one handle also here. And this here, not this side, no handle there. So the both sides are not equal. And here, this one is the flag. And flag, that also not two parts of this, or two sides of this is not a, two sides means if you put a line in between the flag, in between the picture, and if both sides are not equal or not same, so that is not a mirror. And these pictures are mirror and these pictures are not mirror. So you have to do, okay, here some space already given here. Draw three more such things which do not have similar mirror house. So you have to draw here. You have to complete this picture. This picture you have to complete it. And here some space already given there. In that place you have to draw the objects not mirror house. The object, some things, and that is not similar mirror house. Okay. That is your homework. Okay. I will write it here. Draw half of the draw and complete. One is draw other half of the picture. Draw other half of the picture. And second one, first that, and second one, draw things not mirror house. Draw things not mirror house. have to do two. One is homework. One is homework and the next one is assignment time. That you have to do from your home. Okay. Draw other half of the pictures and second one draw things not mirror house. Okay. You can draw three things. Okay, three. Okay. Bye, children.